The computer purchased for $5,000 is depreciated by 10% per annum using the reducing balance method. Okay. Recursive calculations can determine the value of the computer after n years. Which of the following recursive calculations is not correct? All right, so we would know there that we'd have V0 was equal to 5,000, and to get to V of n plus 1 would equal to V of n times, well, 10% reduction would be 0.9. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put 5,000 into my calculator, and then I'm going to do answer times 0.9. Hit the first one. So in which case V1 would be 5,000 times 0.1. So V0 is definitely 5,000, that's right. So again, they're looking for one which isn't correct. V1 is 0.9 times 5,000. Yep, because that's what that's on there. V2 would be 4,500 times 0.9, because that's my answer there. Remember, recursively, I take the previous value and multiply it. So 0.9 times 4,500 is correct. Hit enter. 4050. Aha. So V2 was 4050. So V3 should actually be 0.9 times 4050. So D isn't correct, and if I hit that, then actually E is correct. So D would be my incorrect answer.